Okay, this is the Cousins patternless. And got them a month ago, and I think it was $40, right? Yeah, $40. Got them from a private-owned pet store. Same place I got my carrot tail like a day before, I guess. Ooh. And this is the one that I want to breed for my Blizzard. Oh, thank you. That's going